Hi students, welcome to Narayan PU College online classes. In this video we shall have a discussion on exercise problems and previously asked questions. In this exercise 1.8, this is already asked in a second PU final examination. The question is two point charges QA 3 microcoulomb, QB minus 3 microcoulomb are located 20 centimeter apart in vacuum. What is the electric field at the midpoint O of the line AB joining the two charges? Question B. Question B. If negative test charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 power minus 9 C is placed at this point, what is the force experienced by the test charge? Clear. Now, according to question, they given two charges QA. This is equal to 3 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 power minus 6. So 3 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. And next QB is given negative charge. This is minus 3 microcoulomb. This is minus 3 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Clear. So according to question, so these two charges placed at two different points. One is A and another one is B. QA means this charge placed at A, QB means this charge placed at B. So we have two charges QA and QB. This is line joint. AB is the length. Then the distance between these two is 20 centimeter. The first question is, what is the electric field at the midpoint? Midpoint means exactly at the center. Here field question mark. Field is question mark at midpoint. Clear. Now how do we calculate this? So at midpoint we need to find how many charges given? Two charges given. So we have two field at this point. This is positive charge. Positive charge field will act in this direction. This is EA. Negative charge. This is negative charge. This will act inwards. Clear. So inwards. Clear. This is away. So this is EB. Both fields are acting in same direction. So the net field at midpoint E is equal to EA plus EB. Let us say this midpoint is O. Then EA value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA. We are calculating field at this point. What is the distance between charge and midpoint? AO. So AO square. Similarly EB 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QB by what is the distance between midpoint and B? OB square. So O is the midpoint. Clear. So midpoint means AO and OB equally divided. Then OA and OB are same. This total length is 20 centimeter. Then half of the 20 means 10 centimeter. And this is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So we need to convert into SI units. Then substitute their values. We will get EA and EB. Then EA value. EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value 9 into 10 power 9. What is QA value? 3 into 10 power minus 6 by AO. AO value is 10. So 10 AO square is there. Means 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Then 10 square is 100. 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 whole square. I am writing one more. I will write one more step. 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. This will be 9 into 3. 27 into plus 9 minus 6. 10 power 3 by 100 into 10 power minus 4. Similarly EB. Same 9 into 10 power 9. 3 into 10 power minus 6 by 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, now EB calculated. It is also similar to EA, 27 into 10 power 3 by 100 into 10 power minus 4. Here I did not substitute minus. Reason, we already direction decided. Clear? It is acting inwards in the direction I mentioned. So no need to take minus in the substitution. Clear? If you take minus, then what will happen? This value is plus, this value is negative. Then in the net resultant we have EA plus EB. If we take already EA positive, if we take EB negative, positive negative will be cancelled. So that this is a reason. So don't take negative here. Negative represent only direction here. Clear? Already direction mentioned. Now I calculated magnitude. These two substitute in the net resultant EA plus EB. Then these both values are same. So I can write 2 into 27 into 10 power 3 by 100 into 10 power minus 4. 2 zeros, minus 2 will be there. 2 into 27, 54. Minus 2 goes up. Minus 2 goes up, and this will be plus 3 plus 2, 5. So this is 54 Newton per Coulomb. Now E calculated as 54 into 10 power 5 Newton per Coulomb. So here field is 54 into 10 power 5. Next question B. What is the B? According to question, they placed charge here Q, that is 1 point minus negative charge they placed minus 1.5 into 10 power minus 9 Coulomb. Then what is the force acting here? Clear? So we have electric field and charge, then force F is equal to EQ. Already E is field due to these two charges, then that is 54 into 10 power 5. Given charge is 1.5 into 10 power 9, 10 power minus 9. 1.5 into 54, this is 81 into 10 power 5, 10 power minus 9, plus 5 minus 9, 10 power minus 4 newtons. If we take a minus charge, so take minus here, and here it is minus. Clear? So minus means what? Attractive. So this charge will be attracted towards B. Clear?